What's up guys, it is absolutely official now. SG has finally released a proper WebKit exploit for firmware 9.00. If you remember my previous update, I was talking about we just had vulnerabilities but not a WebKit exploit. SG has gone ahead and refined this port of the WebKit font face exploit and he's made it a fully operational WebKit exploit, but it comes with a little bit of a catch. It is only for firmware 9.00 and this cannot be ported to firmwares on the 8.xx. I'm talking about 8.03, 8.00, 8.52 and so on and so forth. Anything below 9.00 is not portable. So considering that it does work only on firmware 9.0, which is actually a good thing in a way, now that we have a WebKit exploit that's fully functional for 9.00, and guys, still keep in mind, we still need a kernel exploit in order to make it a complete jailbreak. Now for a complete jailbreak, as I've always mentioned, you need a WebKit exploit and a kernel exploit. Put them together, that's when you have a proper jailbreak. So now we have 50% of the work done. We need to go ahead and wait for a kernel exploit. So here's a tweet from SG himself talking about WebKit exploit for 9.00. And as mentioned guys, there's no kernel exploit out right now, so do not update. So talking about stability guys, so stability is not so great guys because just as the initial stages, it could get better over time. Of course, we've seen 7.55, it's still not so stable as we'd want it to be compared to 7.02 or 6.72 or the most stable one, which is 5.05. So guys, if you're on 9.00, you can actually go ahead and actually test this out. So the developer Chameleon actually went ahead and hosted this for us to go and check it out. So WebKit exploit POC for 9.00 firmware. So if you're on 9.00, you can actually go and test this one out. In fact, I'm actually going to go test it out and let's just see how it reacts on my PS4 Pro 9.00. So ideally, you're supposed to see a series of JavaScript alerts. Click OK for each one. Wait a few seconds between each of them. You're going to get all these steps all the way to the 9th step. And you should see a bunch of numbers with commas separated. Here's a quick video showing you about how actually the steps go through. So you're supposed to go through all the different steps and finally you should be able to see all those numbers at the end. So without any further ado guys, let me fire up my PS4 Pro and let's go and test this one out and see how this one actually plays out and see how many attempts it actually takes for me to get there. So let's go. Alright guys, so here I am on my PS4. I'm going to go ahead and load up Chameleon's host and we're going to go and try out this 9.00 test. So I'm going to type in the URL. So guys, if you want to go and test this out, I will leave the link in the description as always, so you guys can go check it out. Alright, so here we are. Let's go and give this a shot. Just to go and give you guys an idea, I am actually on 9.00. So I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to quickly show you that. There you go. As you can see, I'm in System Software 9.00. Okay, let's go and give this a shot. Okay, so here we go. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, and then there's 6, Step 7, Step 8, and there we go guys. Finally, this is the page that you're looking for. So if you see this page with a lot of numbers and a lot of commas, looks like it's successfully loaded. I mean, I did read that it would probably even sometimes take 50 attempts, but it looks like it went through perfectly fine on the very first attempt over here. I'm not really sure how this actually turned out for many people, but go ahead and give it a test if you are on 9.00. If you're in anything less than 9.00, like 8.xx, this is not going to work for you guys. Even if you try it out, nothing's going to happen. This will not play out the same way. So for those of you who are on 9.00, you guys can go and test this out. The link will be in the description as mentioned. Let me know how many attempts it's taken for you or how many attempts it takes for you. And I'm pretty curious to see your guys' comments about it. So guys, that's about it for this particular video. I'm pretty exciting that the WebKit exploit is now completely and officially launched for 9.00. But as always, as I mentioned, a kernel exploit is yet to be launched guys. And unless we have a kernel exploit, there is no proper jailbreak. There is no complete jailbreak. And finally, as a disclaimer guys, if you're on any version, no matter whichever one you're on, 8.00 or 8.03 or any firmware for that matter of fact, I would suggest for you to stay in your particular firmware because we do not know if there's a kernel exploit going to be launched out for 8.xx or if it's going to be for 9.00. So we would have no clue whatsoever. You don't want to go and regret updating your PS4 just because there's a WebKit exploit for 9.00 right now. I would suggest you to hold your horses, wait for a bit, let everything get confirmed and stabilized and officially released. And of course, guys, as always, I will keep you guys updated. I'll be dropping the videos and letting you know as soon as it comes out. So for now, I'm pretty sure Sony's going to come up with a quick firmware update. Go ahead and patch this vulnerability and this WebKit exploit ASAP, probably in the next few days or the next 1 or 2 weeks. So guys, if you want to go ahead and jailbreak, I would suggest you to stay on 9.00 if you're already on 9.00, but wherever else you are, you can stay there, because once the jailbreak comes out, you can update from any firmware below 9.00. Once it's confirmed, you guys can then update. So for now, please do not update, stay where you are. Once everything is solid, I will let you guys know when to update. Alright guys, so that's about it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty exciting news. Let me know in the comments what you think about this and which firmware you're on and which firmware you're waiting on. And I hope you guys have a great weekend coming up. Happy gaming, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys. Bye-bye.